The world is growing. By 2050, the Earth's population will reach 9.7 billion. We're gonna need a bigger globe. More people means more food. It's why we need to improve access to sustainable, affordable, and complete nutrition. So we put it all into one 400-calorie bottle. Soylent isn't here to replace food. What it is here to do is provide you the complete nutrition your body needs to thrive. And you don't have time for a sensible 3-course breakfast. How exactly do we fit a convenient, complete, and delicious meal into one bottle of Soylent? Well, it all starts with plant protein. Soylent contains soy protein, which is a plant protein, and is as complete as protein sources from animals, like milk or meat. And that makes it sustainable as hell. In a sustainable future, carbs are definitely still a thing. Except Soylent's slow-burning carbs and low glycemic index will give you sustained energy so that you don't crash and burn. Think fast, crash carbs. Soylent's also got that good fat. Your omega-3s, omega-6s, your omega-5 beta kappa delta epsilons, those healthy fats keep you full. Soylent packs all that plant protein, slow-burning carbs, and good fat into one bottle, plus 36 essential nutrients so that you can keep moving. Soylent, complete meals on the go. So who's Soylent for anyway? It's for the hustler, and everyone's a hustler. You're a hustler? Your messenger cousin Sean? Your best friend Nancy, who runs an ambiguous side business. She's a hustler too. Soylent is here to help you fuel your hustle, all while shaping the future. Let's keep moving.